Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been the longest time since I've done a sit down video, but today I thought I would unbox for you. I've just had my Humira delivered, so I thought I'd unbox it for you guys. If you're here, you're probably watching this because you're either on Humira, thinking about going onto Humira. I'm not going to give too much information about Humira. I'll give like a little bit about what it is and stuff, but I'm actually not that educated on it. I'm educated enough that I can take it, but not educated enough that I would feel comfortable telling other people about it. So I'm not going to do that. I'll tell you why I'm on it if you haven't met me before. I'm Ellen. I have JIA, so juvenile idiopathic arthritis, that I've had since I was 18 months, and I have uveitis, and that's why I'm taking the Humira. It has just been delivered. Well, it was delivered yesterday, and it has to go straight in the fridge, but it's the bag is a lot bigger than I was expecting, so I kind of thought I would open it and see what's in there with you guys and tell you about kind of my initial experience with it. So I'm based in the UK, so if you're on Humira in the UK, you receive your deliveries of Humira through a company called Healthcare at Home, and they deliver your Humira once every 3 months to your home. So this is my first delivery, and then in a week and a half's time I have a nurse visit as well, and that will be when I take my first injection, and she'll teach me how to take it, like side effects, that kind of thing. So yeah, so I've just got the delivery at the moment. Humira does have to be stored in the fridge, so you have to have someone in, and Healthcare at Home will send you a 2-hour time slot. So they'll give you a day, and then the day before they will send you a 2-hour time slot, which obviously isn't the most convenient thing, but if you're only doing it once every 3 months, that's only 4 times a year, and it's just not that much of a big deal when you look at it in that way. I mean, if you're taking Humira anyway, you're probably seasoned hospital appointment person, so you understand what it's like to have to take time off work to do stuff for your health. So it arrived in this bag which just says store in the fridge, and that's it basically, and then it's got my name and address and hospital number and stuff on over here, so I'm not going to show you all that stuff, but I'm just going to open it up. So inside, I guess that's the injections. So we've got, yep, solution for injection, pre-filled pen. So that is my injections there. So that's 40 mg. So this has got 2 Humira pre-filled pen injections in it. So that's got 2 in it. So I'm taking it once every 2 weeks. So that will last me a month. So I've got, I guess I have 3 of those then. Yep, 3 of those. So I've got, yeah, 3 boxes of my actual injection, and then yeah, the medication is all like in there already preset for you. And then I also have the sharps bin. So this is a bin basically that you can put all your sharps in once you're done using them. I'm gonna have to like understand how you set this up, but oh, it's literally just like that. Oh, it's at the top. There's the opening. Shut it in. Open. Shut. Get the idea. Sharps bin. Danger. Sharps. So yeah, I'll keep that. I guess I'm going to do it. Probably, I don't know where I'll keep that. I'll keep it somewhere near so I can throw them away. Then, oh, I have like a, I don't know what this is. Looks like a pack on like, from somewhere called ARTHRITIS. Help you manage your condition and your Humira treatment. What is this? Oh, so it's like all the kind of information you need, getting comfortable with your injection, keeping track of psoriatic arthritis. So that's what the thing I have now. Obviously I had JIA as a kid. And then I have patient reminder card. What is this? So this is information for you and healthcare professionals involved in your medical treatment. Interesting. So yeah, that is like a kind of pack. So it's like injection guide, lifestyle guide, tracker. This tracker I find really interesting as well. Oh, it's like, oh my gosh. So it's like how you're feeling and stuff. That's an example. So it says like how you're feeling, tiredness, tic, potential triggers, like if you're frequently, occasionally, rarely tired or swollen joints, heel pain, general well-being, and then I can start to fill it in for myself. So I can say where I'm going to be doing my injection, which I'm thinking I'm going to do it in my thigh. The idea of doing it in my stomach feels really weird. front of my thigh, I think is when I'm going to do it. My injection, my dosage, yeah. That's really interesting. I'm going to obviously keep that all nice and safe for when I have to do it. But yes, that is everything in the bag. So it was so big because of that sharp spin basically, and then there's just, oh, it's like just a receipt saying I've got it and about healthcare at home, sorry. So yeah, that was so big because of the sharp spin basically. So I can keep the sharp spin in here, and I can put just these 3 back in the fridge basically. So yeah, I'm gonna go put those back in the fridge. I'm gonna start my Humira in 2 weeks, so I am gonna do like an update of like after how I feel after my first injection. Just you can follow my whole journey with me basically. But that was unboxing my Humira. If you're taking it and you have any advice, then please do let me know. Remember to subscribe to stay updated for all these videos if this is something you're interested in, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.